How to incorporate legumes in your diet. Part 1. This is a high protein breakfast hummus. Drain 1 can of cannellini beans. Just to a bowl. 1/4 cup of milk of your choice. 60 milliliters of protein powder. 2 tablespoons sweetener of choice. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And combine. If you don't like the thickness, just add some more milk. Divide the batter between 2 bowls. Slice some apples. Chop some nuts. Sprinkle on top. You can serve this chilled or heat it up in the microwave.